Hey folks, I wanted to give you a few quick tips to help maintain your Chromebook's functionality. Sometimes Chromebooks can get a little slow or things just seem glitchy or aren't working right. So these are the first things I tell people to try if they're having a problem on their Chromebooks or just to make these a habit so that they don't run into problems. So your number one thing is check for updates. So in order to check for updates for Chrome, you can click down on your time, go to your settings, and then you want to click About Chrome OS, and it will tell you the version you're on. And look at this, I have updates. I would click check for updates, and then yours would run, and it would say such and such percent, and it counts up 2%, updated 3%. Then it will give you a button to click to restart. And things don't take effect until you actually restart. So make sure you click that button. And then it will take a little bit of time after that, depending on how much updating you need. And it will restart on its own and give you a message that it is applying critical updates. So don't shut it off or touch it while it's working. And then you'll end up going back to the login page and you'll know you're updated and ready to roll. That's tip number one. Number two, restart. And if you checked for updates and needed updates, it automatically had you restart. But if you didn't need updates, then you can easily do that by going to the time. And all you do is click your power button right here, shut down, and log back in. Chromebooks update when you shut them down. And it's kind of like I tell everybody, it's like you woke them up on the right side of the bed. Sometimes you wake up a little slow, and then you just need to take a nap and get out on the other side. So that's what you're telling the Chromebook to do. Ready? Get up on the right side of the bed. So make that a habit, restart. You should try it once a day or just set a day for like every Tuesday. I'm going to restart. Okay? Next, I don't need all these notifications. Also delete extra files. To do that, you click on your apps and you're looking for your files file or files app. So double click on that. And this is going to show you everything that's saved internally on your Chromebook. It shows you some other things too, but Chromebooks don't have a ton of working space. That's what makes them pretty fast and inexpensive. So you need to just delete things to make space. So you'll notice if I click downloads, oh my goodness, I have a huge list I could delete. So you can start by clicking one. You can hold the shift button down and click multiple if you wanted, and then you'll have a trash can. Just click the trash and it will delete them. If you happen to be on recent, you'll notice sometimes it says read only, and that's because the files there are things you've used recently, but they're stored in the online, so you can't delete them from your Chromebook. It wants you to know, hey, these are stored somewhere else, but we're just showing you what was recent. So go through, empty out all your files that you don't need, and you'll have more space. So 3 tips for Chromebook maintenance: check for updates, restart, delete extra files. Good luck.